So hi guys, I'm Julie. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm just a heart attack survivor trying to learn how to taste my food. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy comfort food that's good for the heart. We've got seasoned air fryer chicken, glazed carrots, mashed potatoes, and sauteed mushrooms. Let's get started. Spices inside the door of my pantry. Let's go to our Mrs. Dash section. The other ingredients are all pretty simple. We're going to use some garlic. I like the bottled kind, but feel free to use fresh if you'd like. Some Morton salt-free substitute, carrots, chicken thighs, potatoes, mushrooms, and onion. Okay, so for the carrots, I'm using fresh baby carrots. Canned carrots, of course, add a lot of sodium so that they'll stay fresh longer. Here's the key to this. I'm adding a quarter cup of brown sugar right to the water. It's going to cook for an hour like that. The reason I'm doing that, a lot of recipes call for honey, but honey, even though it has less sugar, it has 400 times the amount of sodium that brown sugar has. Brown sugar has none. To your water, add about a cup of low sodium chicken broth, and you're going to cook the potatoes in the chicken broth. I've already cut them. Quarter cup of lemon juice. You can use lime juice, but I happen to have lemon, so that's what we're using. Quarter cup Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. Pinch of no salt. Stir it up. So for our chicken marinade, I've put everything in a baggie. Of course, I cleaned the chicken, cleaned all of that up. Put everything in a baggie, shake it up really, really good. Make sure it's all coated, and then we're going to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. Into the air fryer they go. We're going to cook them for about 35 minutes. We'll make sure we turn them halfway. Check on your carrots and your potatoes. I apologize for the air fryer noise. So I've added some Mrs. Dash table blend seasoning, and then we're going to add some more low sodium chicken broth. So for the mushrooms, I just put the mushrooms in a pan with some finely chopped onions, add a little bit of olive oil. So good and heart healthy. Enjoy. Be sure to like and follow.